Hey, it's Dr. Daniel from North Atlanta Hair Restoration. I'm here with Michael today.
Thanks for having me.
Oh, yeah. Well, thanks for coming on board. We just did 2,000 grafts, shaveless, and we took some from the beard. So we've got a lot to talk about. And again, I appreciate you coming on board. So how did you find us? I mean, you did a lot of research, and I think you're excited to come on the podcast and
Yeah.
kind of YouTube just because you had seen some of our videos and you felt inspired by especially the patient
Yes.
testimonials.
Yep.
So
Yeah, I did a lot of research, and my brother's friend got his hair done by you as well. So I had such a level of comfort of seeing all these testimonials because I was on such a journey for the last 7, 8, 9 years trying all these products. They didn't really work.
what all did you take?
I've done anything from some
Like shampoos?
shampoos, conditioners, you know, a 3-step micro needling rolling. I even tried that for a little bit.
Yeah.
And nothing worked. And my hair was just declining. I'm currently 32.
Yep.
And from 27, I really noticed it, maybe 26. So the last 6, 7 years, I had to do something because I saw where my future was going. So I
Yeah.
wanted to, make a change.
Sure.
So,
Yeah, so you started going down kind of the hair transplant road. I mean, how long did you research hair transplant?
I was researching for about a year, I would say.
Yeah.
And, I was debating, do I fly to Turkey?
Yep.
Some of my friends did that.
Yeah. How'd that turn out?
His is still within that 1-year process.
Okay.
So, but he's sending me updates. But a level of comfort I have here in the U.S., that's what I really preferred, that type of medicine. And
Yeah. Well, I think, the one thing that separates at least my practice then from, some of these overseas clinics is just, safety. And you went through the process today and you kind of witness our team in action. I mean, this is a massive team undertaking, and kind of what was your general sense on how the day went and what we did?
Well, I'm 30 minutes post-operation, I would say, right now. So this is live, raw. This is true. This was a whole team operation. It was multiple people coming, working in unison. It was such a team effort. You guys crushed it. And
thank you.
And you can't even tell from the donor site. And I did the shaveless procedure.
Yeah. So why don't you turn your head? So that's 2,000. Well, actually, we did 1,500 from the head, but really, you can't tell. It's nice and clean. And then we took 500 from the beard, and using small punches designed to extract beard follicles. I mean, the wounds heal dramatically fast. In fact, by tomorrow, this will be red, and there will literally be hardly any visible wounds. It's amazing.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'll be sending updates.
Yeah. Now, tell me about kind of the pain aspect, and I think you tolerated the injections really well.
Yeah, the injections went great. Very standard needle poke, nothing extreme. During the whole procedure, maybe 5 times I felt a poke that was a 3 out of 10, or a 2 out of 10, 1 out of 10. It was very minimal. And then
usually like on the periphery or something.
Yeah. But like overall, it went great. I even got to watch some Netflix on TV while they worked on my top of my head. So, I mean, the experience overall was fantastic. The office is very clean and bright and professional and
awesome.
All first time experience A+. So
and I think you're digging this podcast. Right?
Yeah. This is I'm very down for the podcast and very down to help other people out because the good word travels far. So
sure. So you're going to be getting married soon, which is awesome.
Yes. Yep.
And this will be, just a great thing to go into that, having hair.
Absolutely, because those pictures last a lifetime.
Yeah, and we plan on finishing up in in doing the crown in like 4 to 6 months. So it'd be great if we could do another episode and kind of show the growth. But I think we had a great day together. Our team, I'm proud of my team with every case. I think they have so much expertise in every step. We have to core, pull, load, place. Every 4 critical steps has to be done with precision and professionalism. And I think our team comes through. I think you can agree.
Yep. Yeah. I would love to come back when I do my crown. And you'll all see the results then, and then we can even do a 12-month.
Awesome.
All the above.
Do you have any final words for somebody who might be considering hair transplant, but they're really kind of worried, about the pain or just the whole process? There's a lot of psyche that's involved.
100%. I'd say everyone here is such a professional that you're in great hands. So all you need to do is to just show up, and they will do all the work. And you just have to get over that mental hump of, okay, I'm going to do this. And you don't really feel anything. So as long as it's within your means and you're able to do it, then this is a great route, based here in Atlanta. So
awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Well, Michael, I appreciate you coming on board.
Thanks for having me.
And if you're interested in getting more information, you can go to nahairrestoration.com. You can reach us directly by phone at 678-845-7521, and we're happy to help. Thank you.